All the ECG machine products undergo complete testing before delivery. After the ECG machines are assembled, they will be sent to the aging room and run for 3 days, which can improve the service life and reliability of the entire machine. Afterwards, professional inspectors will conduct specific inspections on the machine, including appearance, performance, safety, accessories, and so on. Imparting analog signals, the engineers can test the performance of ECG machine. Simulating work environment, such as vibration, moving, high voltage condition, voltage change, temperature and humidity change, and etc., engineers can test the operation and safety of the ECG machine. A series of scientific testing methods ensure that the products delivered to customers are defect-free. The design service life of our ECG machine is 6 years. But under good operating and maintenance conditions, many users can use it for 10 years or even longer. With excellent design, selected materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and strict quality control, we fully guarantee the product quality.